Okay, so this is Engineer Alok Tripathi, founder of Alexander Balvis Productions, and I am the also founder of Casting Crew. Both the companies are in same industry. So this is a announcement video, and I want to announce that you guys can sell my courses and make money because lot of my clients have a problem, they can't afford money. So making money, I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to tell you how you can make money. You don't have to even create videos. You have to just download my challenge videos which I have uploaded on my Instagram. I will share link to my Instagram. From there you can find my challenge videos. I have done a 100 videos challenge. You can download them and create a Instagram page, YouTube channel, and upload the videos. From there you are going to get traffic. And let's talk about how you will make money. You have to put the link to my course in the description of the videos. Have to put the videos in the bio of the Instagram page. You can put the link to my course in the about of your YouTube channel. Currently I am telling you about Instagram and YouTube only, but it is not limited to that. You can sell my course on Facebook, you can sell on TikTok, whatever social media you can imagine. So this is a very golden opportunity, like this gold which I am wearing.